dog in the meadow, can't get him out. Take a little stick and stir him about. B, 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 A, G. B, 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 G. B, 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 A, G. B, 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 G. B, 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 A, G. B, 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 G. B, 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 A, G. B, 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 G. B, 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 A, G. B, 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 G. B, 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 A, G. B, 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 G. If you notice, we have two tricky measures. Both of those measures have the notes B, 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 G. Let's practice skipping our fingers between B and G, just like this. Thumb and first finger for B. Put 2 fingers down for G. B, G, B, G, B, G. Now practice playing just B and G. Now try playing the rhythm from the song. Put your recorder on your chin. Let's chin the whole song.